Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am Sexing going to start class 5 math assessment 1 chapter 4 multiple and factor HCF and LCM exercise 4D part 4. A milkman has containers having capacity of 180 and 162 liters of milk. What is the capacity of largest container that can be used to fill the container completely? Solution. So what we have to do? We have to find out SCF of the given liters. Let us start. 180, 162, 2918, 200, 2816, 212, 339, 300, 326, 78, 3721, 313, 300, 3927. So 2, 3, 3, these are common factors of these numbers. So product of common factors is SCF. So multiply. When we multiply all the prime factors, then it becomes LCM. When we multiply only common prime factors, then we get SCF. So common factors are 2, 3, 3. SCF 2 into 3 into 3. 2, 3, 6, 6, 3, 18. So therefore 18 liter is the capacity of the largest container that can be used to completely fill the containers. 4 boys step off from the same place. If their steps measure 16 cm, 28 cm, 40 cm and 77 cm respectively, at what distance from the starting point will they again step together? 16, 28, 40, 77. 2816, 212, 248, 224, 200. We write 77 as it is. 248, 2714, 212, 200. We write 77 as it is. 224, we write 7 as it is. 2510, we write 77 as it is. 212, we write 7 as it is. 5 as it is, 77 as it is. Now we write 1 as it is, 7 as it is, 515, we write 77 as it is. We write 1 as it is, 717, we write 1 as it is, 717, 717. Now we write 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 11, 1, 11. Now we multiply all the prime factors, we get LCM. They again step together at a distance of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 11. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 times 5, 1 times 7, 1 times 11. 6160 centimeter. So student, this is our answer. They again step together at a distance of 6160 centimeter. Let's see another question. 3 bells toll at interval of 12, 18, 20 minutes respectively. If they start tolling together, after what time they will they next toll together? So what we have to do? We have to take out the LCM of the given numbers. 12, 18, 20. 2, 6, 12, 2, 9, 18, 2, 10, 20. 2, 3, 6. We write 9 as it is. 2, 5, 10. 313, 33, 9. We write 5 as it is. We write 1 as it is. 313. We write 5 as it is. 5. We write 1 as it is. 1 as it is. 515. LCM. How many times 2? 2 times 2. 2 times 3. 1 times 5. We multiply. 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 12, 12, 3, 36. 36 into 5, 180. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what we do? We divide 180 by 60. So we get 3 hours. Hence after 3 hours they will toll together. So student, this is our answer. So this type of question we solve in this manner. So chapter 4 multiple and factor exercise 4D part 4 completed. Thank you.